guys, you know, we normally have Price Mart, just one Price Mart in Jamaica, but in April now, we have a new one in Portmore. I'm just gonna take you all inside and just show you what Price Mart is considered of. And this one, it's bigger than the one in town. In St. Andrew, it's bigger than the one in St. Andrew. You know, so we're just gonna browse around and pick up one and two stuff. Really and truly, I want to do a burger video. A beef burger video. So that is one thing I really want to cook some cheese, burger bread, or burger bun with minced beef and one and two little stuff. You know, say a certain amount of beef you're going to want to make up the burger. So price point really reasonable. So I say, you know what, I'm going to come and get it little more reasonable. Because you know the cheese, if you go to the supermarket now, normally I buy like the cheese, the type of cheese that I want and so. I spend a lot of money, but Price Mart now you don't know you're getting a little cheaper. I know Jamaica we have to save every dollar we can save a little cheapest. So I'm going to carry on now, I'm going to show you how it big and nice. You excited to come with me? I'm very excited guys to carry on and show you. Alright, so come with me, I'm going to show you. Alright. Next grill. Blow on. Next grill. So guys, this is our next grill here. What we're going to do with burger. A joke guys. We're going to do it for my coal. Gas pan. What we're going to do, put my coal in it and do my burger then pan it. And I get the nice burn up flavor. Hi. Yeah, when I get my little flavor and so. So I get a chali. If I can a chali, that's what I go back for one. So we did a Price Mart guys. Yeah, last time I could have come without it, you know, but I said no man, this time I carry on with me. So I look like a big foreign. And I miss nothing in here, so everything in here. Right? And them sell reasonable. Like some things people buy wholesale, you know. Yeah, you saw the cheese section, but the cheese I don't really want. And I see it. Sliced cheese more the American. I don't know about this, the mild cheddar cheese. I want to buy the one that I used to. You understand what I know say, but I make me say the one that I really want. Look on it. Mild cheddar. You got to take this. Red snapper, frozen one. Them nice, you know. I'm gonna really love frozen fish. I like my fresh fish. I want half of this. Half. At 3,000. It's actually 4,000. I don't want so much. This it doesn't have a smaller package. $3,000 for that. So guys, you can get all different types of steak, fresh meat. We cook some neck bone the other day and I eat there some like nice and juicy and soft. Look here, this is the pot roast beef. $2,600 good amount. So guys, you know today in the Portmore area or even any part of Central or whatever, I don't know, so they can come Price Mart in Portmore. Right, the whole here we want a lot of meat, fresh meat. I don't know, steel meat guys, fresh meat. And you know, I really have my meat man downtown. And when you hear me I talk about that meat there, like, I really have my meat lady when I buy the meat from for years. But me I tell you, it is so impressive. It is so impress me. Yeah man, stuff them nice and fresh. And a local stuff. You meet them? Yeah. Local stuff. And sliced tomato guys. But guess I know, I'm going to the supermarket when you can get like all two. You can get 200 tomatoes in the package for all like a $200 or $400. It's a $1,400. Talk to him. Oh my god, it's reasonable. It's about how much money? It's more than £2, you know? This is more than £2. 479. I can't believe that. Not bad, bad. I love the red onion, you know. I have white onion, so I can buy some of this. Try some smaller bottle. $250 a pound for this at the market. So it's the price mark? It's reasonable. Reasonable. Yeah, 500. It's not really over about 4 pounds of onion or more, you know. It's about 4 pounds of onion. And that's $579. But I like the red onion, the red onion in the burger. What do you think? I feel like the red onion in the burger or the yellow, white. It's not gonna be too much still. Let's buy this. It's an all-purpose. So this is sandwich bun, burger bun. This is for $970. Hi! Put up people in. $3,200. So I'm just gonna take this. Because we can use half and leave back half. No cheaper one than the other. About £20 a wing this you know. 9,000 something I'm in the buy for it served me. How long it served me. Sometimes I get certain things reasonable. It's 75 inches. Only thing they are selling here, guys, is motor vehicle and houses. That's the only thing. Yeah, that's the only thing they are selling here. But from a pin to an anchor. Sometimes I got to check out them, cash out them. So guys, it was nice bringing you all along with me, and thanks again for watching. And guys, remember, I'm telling you, so now I'm gonna be start giving shout out. So now after this, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell and comment. I just turn on the bell, turn on the post notification bell, and just comment down below and tell me, say, boy, Val's Kitchen, you know, just subscribe or whatever, just tell me something. Alright, so big up on yourself, and thanks again for always coming back to the video, clicking on the video. Thanks to my new subscribers and my old OGs. Alright, so subscribe, turn on the bell, give me a thumbs up. So look out for the burger video, guys. Look out for the burger video. Alright, and thanks again for watching, and bye.